Hi, this is just going over a little bit about spark lines, and I'm going to go into rand between and a couple other issues. So I hope you enjoy this. Good. Love it when people pass tests. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just say all these are possible grades of 100. And then apparently I already have a spark line there defined. And I'll go into that in just a second. And then I am going to go to formulas and then look up rand between. Say okay. Then if I do something between 50 and 100, notice I can type it in either in the dialog box or up here. Makes no difference which way you do it. And then read 65. And then if I just do a fill going down, a fill going across. Now notice all these spark lines are corded, and then to be able to have it so I can start trying out various things, I'm going to go ahead and just do a copy of this. And then notice that I have a choice how I paste it. I just want to paste the information back in. So now if I go to anything, it doesn't change because rand between, if you just click anywhere, do anything on the page, they'll all automatically change because they're automatically changing as it goes through. And so I just want to have and then just see what total is. And so then if I just do a auto sum, and then I can just hit the check mark to the sum, and then I just drag it down. And this will give me all the sums. And then I need to have, a few a little bit higher. Okay, no. Okay, so percentage, and percentage equals the total divided by the possible total. And I want to be able to drag it, so I want to lock it to a certain position. So we hit the F4 key. And then I hit the check mark to get it saved. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it here so that it's consistent. Is I'm going to say round. And then just give it 2 decimal places so everything looks a lot bigger. Oops. The one thing I forgot to do is times 100. It's much better. And then okay. So then I have, that's interesting. And I'm not sure how great all those grades will be, but then I've shown VLOOKUP once before, but I'll show it again. And so if I go to search formulas and just typing in, I can type in VLOOKUP here. But if you noticed, I already have VLOOKUP is here. And so I'm going to say lookup value. It's the first value. Table array. Hit this. And then I hit F4 and notice everything has $signs in front of it. Column index is 2. And then if it's approximate, I want true here. So it is weird. That is all wrong. Okay, VLOOKUP. J4. That doesn't like it. So let's just go ahead and okay. Okay. Oh, I see what I didn't want J4. I wanted L4. Amazing. What difference? And then I go ahead and just fill it in and notice how everything's much more realistic grade. And just change one of these rows. Okay. So we have a couple of A's in class. So much more reasonable. And the last thing I wanted to show is if I went ahead and then I could, and on the home tab, additional formatting. And color scale. And notice how I can put a color scale here, or I can put data bars here. I could do top general. And then instead of being like red, I would prefer it green fill. And then if I wanted to, I could do then the bottom 10 items. I'll leave those in red. I say okay. And now I have something that looks like this. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. Thanks for looking, and we'll see you next time.